Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install BitMax wallet, full guide step by step clearly. To install the BitMax wallet, start by visiting the official BitMax website. Once there, locate the wallet section on the home page. Click on the link to download the wallet application. Choose the version compatible with your operating system, either Windows, macOS, or mobile. After selecting your version, the download should begin automatically. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the BitMax wallet installer file. Double-click the installer file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the wallet application. You may need to grant administrator permissions for the installation to proceed. Once installed, open the BitMax wallet application. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Select the option to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. If creating a new wallet, you will need to generate a secure password. Ensure you write down this password and store it in a safe place. Next, you will be presented with a recovery phrase. This recovery phrase is essential for recovering your wallet if you forget your password. Make sure to write down the recovery phrase and keep it secure. After confirming your recovery phrase, your wallet will be set up. You can now explore the features and functionality of the BitMax wallet. Make sure to familiarize yourself with its options for sending, receiving, and managing your cryptocurrencies. Always ensure your wallet is updated to the latest version for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.